Hey there, everyone. I'm Marco Souza, and today I'm excited to share my project for this hackathon that brings together AQI prediction and Cartesi Rollups. So let's get started. Okay, here we'll be covering from the basics of the AQI and to how we are leveraging the Cartesi Rollups for this decentralized solution. So let's dive in. And the aim here is to provide a real-time AQI prediction using Cartesi Rollups. This solution addresses environmental health concerns, specifically assisting individuals with respiratory ailments such as COPD to make informed decisions, right? Talking a little about AQI, it's a universal measure that tells us about air pollution levels. The quality of the air directly impacts our respiratory health, from mild symptoms like coughing to severe conditions like asthma attacks. Timely AQI information can be a lifesaver. Here is a visual representation of the AQI range from good to hazardous. And this kind of visual insight helps us to grasp the impact of the air quality levels. This AQI range here is from US, but every region has its own range of AQI, so it's kind of region restricted, right? So why go decentralized here? So we have three main reasons for that. Transparency, you can verify each computation step. Integrity, we eliminate data manipulation risks. And expansion and collaboration, right? The platform invites global contributors, so fostering innovation and so on. And data integrity, it's central to decentralization is all about data integrity. It's verifiable, tamper-proof, and provides a trustworthy AQI predictions. So imagine here, no single entity can adulterate this data model and predictions made by the model. And of course, the community is also another strength brought by decentralization, offering diverse insights, helping to identify local factors, and impacting the AQI and many more. So the solution stands on a standard yet rigorous data analysis, usually made by data analysts and data engineers. You can delve in the detailed ADA steps on the solution repository. I will be sharing here in the presentation and afterwards. There you can find techniques like data cleaning, visual distributions and correlations for each dataset variable, and many more. So about the DApp itself, in action, users input environmental variables from sensors like carbon monoxide and many more. And the DApp gives instantly AQI forecasts. The detailed information about these pollutants is also on the repository description, right? Here's a small demo of the DApp working. The user fills the values for each pollutant, sends through a transaction, and then the backend gets it and gives back the AQI predictions based on the AQI range, right? For here, it will be results from good to bad and hazardous, like the AQI range I brought before. Clean air is paramount for health. By raising air pollution awareness, we are paving the way for preventive health measures. This solution brings a starting point for a game changer, empowering communities for a healthier future. And this solution is only possible because of the Cartesi DApp. And it doesn't stop here. The aim is to incorporate broader data, refining the prediction model, and enabling data input via IoT and many more. So that's it for today. I'm open to questions and feedback. Thank you.